Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the RME Fireface UFX III. This is a 188 channel, 192 kilohertz USB 3 audio interface. Now I can't wait to unbox this and just give you a first look. Before I do so, let's just take a look on the side here. So this is some of the main features. We've got Total Mix FX, Steady Clock FS, DURec, class compliant mode, DURec, which is actually really useful because essentially it means that once you've set this up and got your presets into the audio interface, you can record direct to a USB flash drive or a USB solid state drive without the use of a computer. So essentially it becomes almost like a field recorder, although it's not portable. We've also got Hammerfall X-Core on here as well. And if we take a look round on the back, again just quickly before we open this up, we've got some of the main specs here and some of the other features. So 94 input, 94 output, picture of the back and the front here at the top. We've even got MIDI on here as well. We've got world clock, and it's really very high end. We can also control this apart from connecting it up to my Mac Mini, which is my intention. You can also control this with an iPad and I believe an iPhone app as well. So really excited to get this unboxed. So let's take the plastic covering off, turn this back up the right way. And this initial video is purely just to see what is inside the box. That's all we're going to do in this video. There will be future videos where I'll be running through some of the specifications and features again, and also giving you a demonstration of this in use. But I just wanted to do this quick video to show you what you get for your money. So we're opening this up for the first time. We have got a really chunky user guide. We've also got this DURec NG. This is just showing you some features of the software, I think. Oh, here we go. Available as a free download. So this is some additional software. That's cool. We've also got this social media card, where to get your downloads, how to register your product. If you register the product, of note, you do get 5 years of warranty. So that's really cool. So 2 different languages in this. We turn this over. We've got the English version on this side. So this is going to guide you through absolutely everything you need to know. And a lot that I don't know, because this is going to be a learning curve for me as well. And then in the bottom portion of the box, we have got some little stick-on feet. This is essentially 19-inch rack mountable, but you can place it on your desk, and they include those little feet in there as well. Then we've got the interface itself, just coming out of the box there. I'll pop that to one side and just get the additional accessories out. So we've got a UK power cable. If you buy this in another country, I would assume you get a country specific power cable inside the box. We also get some extra cables here as well. It's nice to see. So we get an optical cable. Didn't expect to get that. We get a USB 3 cable, because this is a USB 3 audio interface. Oh, nice. We also get USB 3 to USB-C. So that first one was USB 3 to USB-A. We get a USB-C cable as well. That's going to come in handy because I'm obviously connecting this up to my Mac Mini, which will be USB-C. So here we go. This is it unpacked. Whoa, it's really nicely made. Very nice construction. So as I mentioned earlier, this is 19-inch rack mount. So we've already got the ears on the side here. You can remove these. So if you're not going to rack mount it and you're going to put those little rubber feet on, then you can remove these and have it just sitting on your desk. I'm going to rack mount mine, and when I do the full review and the demonstration, it'll be inside my little desktop rack. So we've got some Combi XLR jacks here, 4 in total. Each of them provide 48 volts of phantom power for your mics. You can use them as line inputs as well. Then we've got some headphone outputs here as well, two 6.35mm jacks. We've also got MIDI in and out. We've got the port for the flash drive if you were recording direct to flash drive, and I assume you can do recording direct to like a solid state drive. Then we've got some LED lights just here. Then we've got the main control dial. Then we've got mic gain, record play, channel mix, setup and review. And then we've also got, these act as buttons as well, I think. Yeah, so as well as being rotary dials, they are buttons. Then we've also got our headphone controls here as well. And again, these act as buttons as well. And then the main power on off. So if we continue round to the back, and I'm going to do it at a slight angle so I don't put any pressure on the dials on this side. Go from left to right again. We have got the input for the power supply. We have got a little sort of, looks like a little cable management hook perhaps here. Then we've also got the MIDI out and in. So in addition to the one on the front, we've also got one on the back as well. Then we've got our ADAT 1 and 2, USB 3, remote out. I might pick up the remote. You can get this sort of USB control to do, it's got like a rotary dial on it. It allows you to control your sort of levels. Then we've got MADI in and out, world clock. We have got connections here to go out to AES EBU in and out as well. Then we've got balanced line level outputs here, and then we've got balanced line level inputs. Now the beauty of something like this is we've already got plenty of inputs and outputs, but of course we can extend the inputs and outputs by connecting external devices. So that's really very, very cool indeed. We have got a really nice array of inputs and outputs on this, and a really nice control mechanism, and very, very good overall build quality. So I can't wait to fire the Fireface up. This is the RME Fireface UFX III, and you'll see it in a future video. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I'll see you in another one very, very soon.